Experience the perfect interplay of the SIMATIC S7-1200 with a new task-oriented engineering framework, modular controllers, and the integrated WinCC BASIC for the configuration of SIMATIC panels. This podcast gives you an overview of the project navigation. In the project navigation, you can see your complete project in hierarchical order. In the project folder, you find all project-relevant devices, objects and actions. The network view opens by double-clicking Devices and Networks. With this view of the entire project, you get a complete graphical overview of the existing devices, their networking, and the configured connections. In the Common Data folder, you define the data for all devices, such as, for example, the joint message classes and text lists. A uniform printer layout for the project documentation is specified under the documentation settings. All user and system texts of the project-specific devices can be found in the Languages and Resources folder. This is where you also select the project languages centrally for all devices. There is a device-related folder structure for each device type. It offers you direct access to all components of your automation solution. Now observe the structure of a controller. You, as a user, can re-specify the project navigation project specifically and in detail with the Add Group button, and therefore create an optimum program overview, for example by grouping various program blocks depending on their function. Open the hardware editor for the configuration of your devices through the project navigation, the program editors for processing existing program blocks, the tag editor for defining the global tags, the data type editor for creating user-defined reusable data structures, the watch tables for testing your user program, and the configuration editor for configuring the technology objects. New blocks and components are also added from the project navigation. Online and diagnostic functions are directly started from the respective device folder, using the configured connection parameters. By means of the graphic symbols in the project navigator, you instantly detect whether offline and online project data match. In the Local Modules folder, the diagnostic status of the individual modules of the device is displayed symbolically. If you know the folder structure of the controller, you will also quickly get used to the structure of a panel. Instead of the program blocks, for example, pictures are configured or grouped here. In the Online Accesses folder, all active interfaces of the computer are listed. By double-clicking Update Accessible Devices, all devices that can be reached through this interface are displayed. In the SIMATIC Card Reader folder, all card readers that are connected to the computer are managed. If you prefer the typical Windows folder display, simply switch the view using the Overview button. The subordinate objects and actions of the selected object are then displayed in the work area in the Details, List or Thumbnails view. With the project navigation, you have quick and easy access to all components and data of your project. With the individual grouping functions in the project navigation, you will still have an overview even for more complex automation solutions. If there is an online connection to a device, the diagnostics or the comparative status of the components is instantly displayed symbolically. The project navigation with the same look and feel for all devices offers a very high level of user-friendliness and efficient engineering. Additional information is provided on our website.